Hello, dear students. I hope you have gone through the first two videos and you are comfortable with those two videos. Now, in the third video of this Python programming series, we are going to discuss about the conditions that we can check in the Python programming using if, elif, and else. So, with these three, we'll do some small programmings to understand it in better way. So, let's move to the lab. Now let's check else if, else, elif, and else. How they work. So we have to make it first comment. We have made it comment. Now here, let's check a number is positive or not negative. So let n is equal to 8 if n greater than 0 colon print. So it is positive. Message positive. Else if it is not positive, it is negative. Print negative. If positive, then it will be greater equals to. So if n is 0, then also it will give positive. And obviously if it is greater than 0, then it is positive. Otherwise it is negative. Now let's execute it. There is some error. There should not be any space. Yes. So it is positive. And let's check it with some minus number. It is negative. Now next we will see that if it is greater than 0, it should be positive. If it is equals to 0, it should print 0. Otherwise it should print negative. So for this, in this situation we will remove the greater than, because we have created another case. So here it is elif. Elif means else if. Else elif n double equals to 0. It should print it is 0. Now let's execute it. It is negative. Now make it some positive. Let it be 8. It should come positive. Now if you 0, it is 0. Now let's try another program. So we have been given 3 numbers and we have to print the largest of the 3. So A, let it be 5. B equals to say 7. C equals to say 4. Out of these three numbers, we'll have to print the largest. So check if A is greater than equals to, also we can keep it greater than. For the timing, it is let it be greater than B, and A greater than C. Then we'll have to print that it is A, print largest is A, if now we check for B, if B is greater than A and B greater than C, then print largest is B, else print largest is C. Now execute it. Largest it is 7. Now let it make it is equal to 15. Now check it. Largest is this. Now C let it be 34. So it is 34. So in this way we can use the if, elif, else. We can have any number of else, elif in between them, but only one if and one else, maximum one else. There can be without else also. So now if we change into else if to else, else to else if, that is elif. If A is greater than, then print A. If B is greater, then it is print B. Otherwise, it was C. Previously, we are doing it. Now we will check without using the else, that is C, if it is greater than A and C greater than B. Now, in this situation, we will not use the else. We are just using the else if, that is elif. Now execute it, let it be 4 again. Now execute, it is 15. Now again it is say 84, is 84. So largest is 84. Previously we are not checking whether C is greater than A and B or not, because if A is not greater, if B is not greater, obviously C was the greater. Now in this we are using it. Here we are checking it whether C is greater than A and C is greater than B or not. If it is, then we are printing it. So in this, without else, we are executing it. So there can be any number of elif, but only one if, and if necessary, there can be at most one else. Now we will try another new program to check with the given three sides triangle will be possible or not. As we know that sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So as we will take sides say 15, 7 and 84, and we can see that it should not be possible. So for this, how we will write the code? A any of the two sides A plus B should be greater than C, B plus A B plus C should be greater than A. So in this way we'll have to put all the three conditions. If all the three conditions are true, then only it will be possible. So for this we will write it. If A plus B greater than C and B plus C greater than A and A plus C greater than B, then only it should be possible. Print triangle possible, else print triangle not possible. So now execute it. So triangle it is not possible. Now let's change some number. Say 5. This now it should be possible. This triangle possible because sum of any two side 5 plus 7 greater than 4, 7 plus 4 greater than 5, and 5 plus 4 greater than 7. Now let's make it 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and it is also 7. It should not be possible. Now let's execute it. Triangle not possible. Now we will write a program to check a given number is Budge number or not. Now a number is a Budge number if its last digit is 7 or the number itself is divisible by 7. A number is Budge number its last digit is 7 or it is divisible by 7. So let's check it 705 is a Budge number or not. So if in last digit, to get the last digit we'll have to find the mod 10. If we do mod 10 with any number, it will give the last digit. If n mod 10 double equals to 7, so if the last digit is 7, or or if n is divisible by 7, means if we divide n by 7, its remainder should come 0. Divide, that is remainder, by 7, then its result should come 0. So in mod 10, it will give last digit, either the last digit 7, or when n is divided by 7, it should come 0, so the number is divisible by 7. Then print Page number, say n is Page number, else n is not a Page number. Here you can place one space. Now execute it. 705 is not a Page number. Say 807. 807, it is not divisible by 7, but it has the last digit 7, so it should be a Page number. Similarly, say 49. Its last digit is not 7, but it is divisible by 7, so it should be Page number. The Page number. Another, let's try with another number, 491. Now let's execute it. So it is also not a Page number.